Hello friends, back with another video. I have changed the original car audio video system of my Hyundai Venue to an Android system which was named CanBlow. It was from a manufacturer in Cochin, Kerala. I fitted the CanBlow system with the 360 camera from CanBlow itself, but it never went up to my satisfaction. There were niggling issues in the first unit. I changed it for a higher priced one. Then it came back again with more issues, so I had no other resolution but to check whether there was a refund available. Luckily and professionally, CanBlow was very good and they provided me a refund for my system. They did not take back the 360 camera. That's fine. The best thing is they refunded me the price for the Android system. And then I had a small research done on it, and I finally agreed on my thoughts that I have to buy a like a brand. Either it should be Pioneer or it should be Blaupunkt or any other brand. The main thing is these are also made in China, but the quality control is better and the performance is better. Pioneer was very expensive, so I went ahead with Blaupunkt. And for this car I had this Blaupunkt Jamaica 990. This is 10.33 wider car audio video system from Blaupunkt, and it actually fits in a 9-inch fascia. So this is a 9-inch fascia for Hyundai Venue. It's not a 10-inch. The screen size of this is 10.33, but you only need a 9-inch fascia for this one. So totally the price was 26,990 plus a price of 1,500 for the fascia. So this is 4GB 64GB version. The 4GB 32GB version is priced slightly less. And I had fit a Lancaster local audio subwoofer for this one. And with the CanBlow one, it was not performing really well. But with this one, it is performing well and it is performing like it should be. So this Blaupunkt Jamaica is solidly built. I have a small screen guard put over it. It's not easy to get a 10.33-inch screen guard, so I got one from like a custom screen guard manufacturer online, and this one was for Kia Sonet, and I got it. This was like 10.27 or something, but it luckily fits in okay. So with this one, the Blaupunkt one, you don't have a SIM slot, but anyways, we are going to use our mobile hotspot mostly, so it doesn't matter for me. And the 360 camera software really fits in well, and it works very well with this. You got all the options here. You have different side angles, and yeah, that's better than the CanBlow one. You have different options. Then every single angle you can check. So overall very good, and you can have your recording here and you can watch your recording. Everything works perfectly well. So the 360 camera works perfectly well, and the phone network also works very good. I've not connected my phone now, but it works perfectly well, and the display is much better than the Chinese ones. The radio functions fine. There is equalizer. The sound effects, you can see, look, an RCA pre-out configuration, 3-way mode and crossover. Every option is there for the subwoofer and extra audio accessories. So overall it's been a great buy and I'm enjoying this very much. It's a wider screen, which I enjoy more than the taller 9-inch screen or 10-inch screen. The phone link works perfectly fine, and there is TPMS in-dash USB Blaupunkt compatible app for your Blaupunkt tire pressure monitoring system. Overall, this has been a fantastic buy. CarPlay is there and the Android Auto is there as well. GPS and the phone like a microphone works perfectly well. The calls are of good quality. Radio works fine. So for the price I bought this, the audio quality has been much better than the Chinese ones. The Chinese ones audio quality was so. This display of this is much better. Navigation has been very smooth. Google Maps working very well, faster and smoother. Phone connection has been perfect. 360 camera has been really good as well. Going to the settings and changing settings have been easy as well. File manager, storage, like USB, everything works very good. For the price, you simply cannot go wrong. So friends, what I would suggest is, instead of going for the Chinese brands or something like Woodman and all these basic Indian brands, it's better to go for a good brand like Blaupunkt or Pioneer, even if it costs more, because it's going to be more reliable and it's going to give you much better performance. For Hyundai Venue owners who are looking to upgrade their company audio video system to a Android one, this is one good choice. And in Hyundai Venue, the vents are made in this manner. There is a slight doubt that this is going to cover or intrude into your airflow, AC airflow, the duct airflow. But with this one fitted, I never had any issue. The cooling has been really cool and good, so it is not interfering with my AC ducts. For Hyundai Venue, this is a very good choice. You should go for it and you will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.